Which type of number system is understood by digital circuits? A. Hexadecimal system. B. Binary system. C. Both A and B. D. Octal system. Correct answer B. Binary system. The octal number system. A. Requires fewer digits to represent a number than the binary system. B. Requires more digits to represent a number than the binary system. C. Uses the same number of digits as the binary system. D. Uses the same number of digits as the decimal system. Correct answer A. Requires fewer digits to represent a number than the binary system. Who is credited with inventing the first computer mouse? A. Douglas Engelbart. B. William English. C. Daniel Cougar. D. Robert Mint. Correct answer A. Douglas Engelbart. USB refers to A. A storage device. B. A processor. C. A port type. D. A serial bus system. Correct answer D. A serial bus system. Which of the following components are included within the central processing unit, CPU, of a computer? A. Input devices, output devices, and processing unit. B. Control unit, main memory, and external storage. C. Control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and internal registers. D. None of these. Correct answer C. Control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and internal registers. Which shortcut key is used to close the current document in MS Word? A. Ctrl plus Q. B. Ctrl plus W. C. Ctrl plus E. D. Ctrl plus L. Correct answer B. Ctrl plus W. In MS Excel, what is the function of Ctrl plus semicolon? A. Insert current time. B. Insert current date. C. Insert formula. D. Insert blank cell. Correct answer B. Insert current date. Which shortcut is used to insert a hyperlink in MS Word or Excel? A. Ctrl plus H. B. Ctrl plus K. C. Ctrl plus L. D. Ctrl plus U. Correct answer B. Ctrl plus K. Which key combination is used to open the print preview window in MS Word? A. Ctrl plus P. B. Alt plus F. C. Ctrl plus F2. D. Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Correct answer C. Ctrl plus F2. What does F7 key do in Microsoft Word? A. Spell check. B. Save. C. Replace. D. Paste. Correct answer A. Spell check. Which shortcut key combination is used to redo the last undone action in MS Word? A. Ctrl plus Z. B. Ctrl plus Y. C. Ctrl plus R. D. Ctrl plus Shift plus Z. Correct answer B. Ctrl plus Y. Which shortcut key is used to create a new slide in MS PowerPoint? A. Ctrl plus N. B. Ctrl plus M. C. Ctrl plus S. D. Ctrl plus D. Correct answer B. Ctrl plus M.